Hello, my YouTube friends and followers. Today is a very special day. What that was all about. Anyways, today I am going to install um, something that makes me talk correctly instead of stuttering and whatever. Um, no, in reality, today I am going to install two brand new Xeon CPUs. Get one on here. And I want to say a very special thank you to Friendly Computers on eBay. Guy did an awesome job in finding my package and getting it here. Top notch. If you're ever on looking for good parts, Friendly Computers is the place to go. My little plug to him for his awesome service. So anyways, here it is. I'm going to install this Xeon 3.73 gigahertz dual core processor. And I don't have just one, but two. So we're going to put both of these in here. I bought this as a little kit. Comes with the CPUs. Thermal grease, even though I don't need it because I have my own. A chemical pad to wipe down the goo off the CPU. And it's really handy anti-static wristband, which is fantastic to have. Even though I very rarely ever use these, they're still very good to have. Just for, whatever situations come up. So, let me stop gabbing here and let's get to work. Where's my screwdriver before we get started here? I just had my screwdriver. Oh, here it is. Found it. Alright, let's get going. So, oops. I'll clip this. The CPU's over here in the thermal paste. This is going to be a little bit of a challenge. I want to try to keep it upright, but it's not going to be too easy to get in there, I don't think. Oops. Yeah, it's going to be very difficult to get those bottom ones. I'm really noticing this is extremely dusty in here. I see some cobwebs and other gunk. So let's see. Maybe I can turn it this way towards you guys. And you can really see all the gunk and the goo that's in here. See if I can turn this down just a little. Get it to where the CPU is. See if I can access that a little better. No. I'm gonna have to go lay it down. So I'll try to do this so you guys can see it. Oh, oops, I'm working on it and beating it up. Let's see if I can fill this up a little bit. Maybe I can stick it. If you guys, oh, there, that's perfect. You get the bird's eye view, front row seat. All right, so we're gonna take out this one first. I gotta get some I gotta get some dusting stuff in here and dust this. Gotta get some of this gunk out of here. That can't be good. Should be the last one. There's the heatsink off, and right underneath that is the old 3 gigahertz CPU, which I'm going to clean off and then remove and put into a nice safe static bag because it's still good. So I don't have a static bag. Well, actually, yes I do. Yeah, that'll work. A little big, but it'll work. And don't mind that growling, that's just my stomach. Now, where did the... Oh, there it is. I don't know why they make them so big. Really don't need a big piece. So what I'm doing is just wiping this down. That's one. I'll show you. See the other half. Is that the other half? I guess it is. Heatsink. We'll get all that off. So it'll be nice and fresh. Okay, time to take out the CPU. Time to install the new CPU. Apply some thermal paste. enough. Now reinstall the heatsink. Okay, time to install CPU number 2. Close her up, down, add a little more thermal paste. Oops, and drop a piece of sticker in there as well, just for good measure. I don't know if you guys can see that. See if I can get in there. We're putting the thermal paste on. Right, now I gotta put the camera back because I gotta install this one now. This heatsink. Don't give you much room in between, do they? Okay. And that is it. Now comes the real test. Will she work? Let's put this back together. And I will see you guys in a minute. Or actually, 1 second in your time. Okay guys, moment of truth. I'm gonna plug her in and see what happens. I haven't tried this before, so I mean this is a live test. It's a good sign. Taking a while because she's got new hardware to check out. Two 3.73 dual core processors. Alright. And don't worry about the rest of this because there's no battery in this, and I've explained this in another video why there's no battery in this, so I'm not going to explain it here, but this is running normally. I am excited. I now have two dual core 3.73 processors in this computer, so success. And I'd like to happily announce that there will be another video to this series. This computer is also getting a new video card, and I have to go pick it up tomorrow. So be on the lookout for another video very shortly. Alright guys, you know what to do. And I always thank you from the bottom of my heart for watching these videos. And I will talk to you guys later.